Hey buddies, welcome back to my channel CrazIcons. Today I am going to show you how to make spicy and yummy egg fried rice recipe. These are the ingredients required to make egg fried rice recipe. Take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Let it heat for a minute. Now scramble 3 eggs into the pan and cook for 2 minutes in a high flame. Now add 3 finely chopped green chillies. Add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 cup finely chopped onions. One cup finely chopped carrot. One cup finely chopped capsicum. Let all the veggies cook for 3 minutes. Now add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. Next add 2 tablespoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of garam masala. If you want it more spicy, you can also add red chilli powder. To this, I am gonna add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce and stir it for a minute. And at last, add 1 large cup of boiled rice. Give it a mix with all the veggies as shown here. Finally, spicy and yummy egg fried rice is ready. Serve hot. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel CrazIcons.